You've been here before. You take time off. You ice it, rest it, stretch it, and somehow the injury still comes back. Sound familiar? You're not alone, and you're not broken. In this video, we're breaking down why injuries keep happening, and more importantly, how to finally fix the real root cause. Let's start with the classic advice: rest and ice. Sure, they reduce inflammation, but they don't address the problem. What caused the injury in the first place? Was it poor movement mechanics, muscle imbalances, a lack of strength through range? Resting a dysfunctional pattern doesn't fix the pattern. It just gives it time to come back stronger. When one part of your body underperforms, others overcompensate. Sprained ankle, your opposite hip starts doing more. Tight hip, your lower back starts taking the hit. These subtle shifts lead to overuse, breakdown, and, you guessed it, injury. Compensations are your body's short-term survival mode, but they're not sustainable. Muscle imbalances aren't just about strength, they're about control. Maybe your glutes are strong, but your brain doesn't know how to activate them in motion. That's neuromuscular dysfunction, when the communication between muscle and movement is off. And if you're not addressing both strength and control, you're stuck in the injury loop. Here's the real solution. Build strength and mobility through your full, usable range. It's not about just lifting more weight, it's about owning your body in every position. Think controlled lunges, slow eccentrics, end range isometrics. Training this way rewires your movement, builds resilience, and breaks the injury cycle. You don't need to guess. Your body tells you what it needs. Pay attention to joint range comparisons, left to right, muscles that fatigue first or feel tight all the time, and movements you avoid or compensate during. If you're not sure what you're seeing, that's your cue. Seek out a movement specialist or physical therapist who looks at the whole system. Injuries aren't just bad luck. They're signals. Your body's asking for better mechanics, smarter training, and real recovery, not just rest. So here's your move. Assess, address imbalances, train strength through range, and stop managing pain. Start building a body that doesn't break down in the first place.